Hey, creators! Want to grow your subscribers and increase your revenue without uploading videos every single day? Then you need to learn about evergreen content. In today's video, I'll show you how uploading evergreen videos can give you long-term growth, consistent views, and passive income even while you sleep. Hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you won't miss more YouTube growth hacks like this. What is evergreen content? Evergreen content is content that stays relevant over time. It's not based on trends, news, or seasonal topics. Think of tutorials, how-to guides, tips, product reviews, motivational videos, or educational content. These videos don't expire, which means they keep getting views, clicks, and earning revenue long after you upload them. It's like planting a tree. You post it once, and it grows over time. What is boost subscribers and revenue? Here's why evergreen content is a game changer. Consistent search traffic. People are always searching for timeless topics on YouTube. Long-term monetization. Videos keep earning months or even years after upload. Boost your channel authority. You become a go-to resource for your niche. Grow subscribers passively. As more people find your videos, more will hit subscribe. One good evergreen video can bring in thousands of subscribers without you having to post every week. The best example of evergreen video ideas. Not sure what to make? Here are some proven evergreen ideas. How-to tutorials. For example, how to edit videos on your phone. Beginner's guides. For example, YouTube SEO for beginners. Top tools and apps. For example, top 5 free editing tools in 2025. Long-form step-by-step videos. For example, how to start a faceless channel and acknowledge. For example, passive income for creators. The key is to solve a problem that people will always search for. Tips for creating powerful evergreen. Here are some quick tips to make your evergreen video stand out. Use keywords people search for. Use YouTube search suggestions. Make strong thumbnails and titles that can stand the test of time. Avoid saying things like this week or in 2023. Keep it timeless. Update descriptions and pin comments over time. Keep your editing clean and your voice clear. So if you want to build a YouTube channel that works for you 24/7, evergreen content is the key. Create once, earn forever. If you learned something today, give this video a like. Comment below, what evergreen topic are you planning to upload next? And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial masterclass videos to help grow your channel fast. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a great day, everybody.